Say hello to June Homes 20011, your sleek student haven offering effortless living, prime campus proximity, and the excitement of Washington, D.C., all in one place. Your new charming non-ensuite offers your own private room, complete with a spacious bed to recharge, a cozy study corner to grind, roomy closet space for your outfits, a flat-screen TV for movie marathons, in-unit laundry for easy wash days, and a sleek kitchen with essential appliances for cooking convenience. And don't worry about uninterrupted connectivity. There is blazing fast Wi-Fi available. Check this out. Your new home places you a quick drive from the Catholic University of America and Trinity Washington University, making your trips to campus super easy. Cruising through the city is easy as well. Just get a bus from Georgia Avenue Northwest and Gallatin Street Northwest, or hop on the subway from Georgia Avenue Petworth. The perfect student home won't wait forever, and neither should you. Book June Homes 20011 Washington, D.C. via amberstudent.com today.